Hi guys, it's Jamie and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little bit. I went through a midlife crisis maybe a little bit at 30. Does that happen to anyone else? No? Just me? But when I don't feel good or I feel like I just need like a little like pick-me-up, I go to the Dollar Tree and I just buy things that I probably don't need. So this is a Dollar Tree haul. Like, hello, Dollar Tree. Yes, girl, yes. We got some goodies. I went a little crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I went a little crazy.
Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say so, Jamie. I'd say that you went a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
But it's well deserved, okay? Like, I needed this. Let's get into it. I kind of like tried to bag it up into sections. So the first thing is goodies. I always grab snacks. So I got some ring pops for the kiddos. Very nice. And they have the snack pack puddings, so I got chocolate and banana cream pie. Doesn't that look good? All right. They have these little like goldfish things here. Oh my gosh, my kids love these. So I got my kids each one of those. They had cinnamon sugar, like an actual container of cinnamon sugar. I always make my own cinnamon sugar and it kind of tastes like garbage, so I was like, oh hell yeah, for toast. Yeah. I didn't even know they had a huge spice section, you guys. Like, I was shocked. I bought 2 other spices, Cajun style all-purpose seasoning, spicy Louisiana classic. And then I got this complete seasoning, and it has like pictures of like onions and garlic and basil and everything. It's like, I don't know, I got this one too. I just thought it was interesting, so I was like, I'll try it out. So I got some seasonings, and then we got some trolls. You gotta get the trolley, the sour bite crawlers. And then my kids love these, so I always pick these up every time I go. They're freeze-dried fruits. So these are the apple slices, and then these are the freeze-dried strawberries. Got those for the kiddos. And I think that's the food section. Moving on. So all of their Easter stuff is out. It is like a few days after Valentine's Day, so I'm definitely gonna start decorating for Easter now. I don't really decorate for St. Patrick's Day. I know that's like rude, but I don't know, like the green, the bright green and all that stuff, I don't know, it's just not my thing. So I just started decorating for spring and Easter after Valentine's Day. Anybody else? No? Just me? I'm just crazy and skip St. Patrick's Day? Okay, whatever. Anyways, they had these cute little hand towels. So I got these little Happy Easter hand towels. They had some really cute Easter decor. So I got this little Happy Easter sign, you know? Super cute. And then I got this sign that says, "We believe in the Easter Bunny." And it's got a little bunny on it. Isn't it cute? I have a bunch of Easter stuff already, so I tried to hold back. I tried not to go a little too cuckoo. And then I bought some Easter ribbon. It's like burlap and then has like the Easter stuff on it, because this year I'm gonna try to like DIY some more stuff. If you're interested in seeing a video of me DIYing things, comment down below and let me know. My son threw this in the cart. It's an Easter egg candy dispenser. I looked around the house to try to see if I could have any candy that this would work for, and I have none. So now I'm going to have to go buy candy to fill up. I think jelly beans would work good in this. It's cute. He threw it in the cart, and I was like, whatever, it's already in there. I don't care. It's $1. I have more. Don't you worry. They had these cute little containers that I got. This has little chickies on it, and this has like little eggs on it. I thought these were so cute. I could put candy and stuff in these and like have this as decor. This is how you get you. You walk into the Dollar Tree with your kids, and they have all of like the Easter baskets and all that stuff like right there. So like the first thing my kids see, they're like, "Mama, Mama," like they want an Easter basket. So they each picked one. Ace got this one, which he just loves the color green. So I think that's the only reason he got it. It was like the only green basket. And then Charlie got this pink one. They have really nice Easter baskets that like the Easter Bunny brings for them. So these are just gonna be like play around the house. I just thought this was so cute, I couldn't pass it up. It's a little soap dispenser and it's a little bunny. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it's glass. I was like, wow, that's nice. Yeah, I don't know if the soap's any good. Let's smell it. It smells good. It smells like vanilla. Oh, carrot cupcake scented. That's questionable. It smells like vanilla. They had garland. Look how cute this garland is. It's got little carrots. Ah, carrot garland. It's so cute. Cute. The carrots. I'm like literally obsessed. They only come in 6-foot packs, so I bought 2 packs and they're already like all tangled up. Imagine that. I'll have to like, you know, hate myself later for that, but there's those. We got these to decorate. So they have these little cute little wooden baskets. Excuse me, ma'am. Let go, please. Okay. They're little baskets. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see. It's an A and a C, Charlie and Ace. And I got these and I figured we could, you know, paint them and they could decorate them and then I could hang them up and they'll be their like cute little Easter baskets. And I was thinking maybe there's something we could do every year and they could like paint their own little basket every year. I think that'd be really cute. They got little bow ties on the top. I think they're so cute. I was so lucky that I found a C and an A. They were at the very back. I like dug through all of them and I found them. I was so excited. So I got those. And I got this cross that I'm gonna paint for Nana for Easter. Me and the kids, we're gonna paint this for her. I have a bunch of like paint already, but I bought this too because I thought, you know, for the Easter baskets, like that would be cute, like some glitter paints. So this is like, it says poster paint. Oh yeah, I got some stencils so that I can actually like write their name on their baskets. I think I could like reuse these, I'm pretty sure, so that's pretty cool. They had a whole bunch of stencils and stuff. Their art section at the Dollar Tree is chef's kiss banging. Oh my god, I love it. I got some little foamy thingies for the kids to be able to paint those. Okay, I think that's all for the arts and crafts. So I don't know if I can pick this up and show you guys, but I'm converting, like we're in my den in my basement, like it's our second living room basically. So I have just like this couch and like a chair set up for my YouTube, and this couch folds out into a bed, so if we have guests they can like, you know, sleep down here. And then we have like a little reading nook corner for the kids, and then this other corner I'm slowly turning into like a little arts and crafts slash like school area for them. I'll try to show you guys really quick here. So yeah, I have like, you know, the ABCs and the desk and, you know, all this up right now. They got their basketball hoop up there. It's nothing fancy right now. It is gonna come together eventually. I'm slowly getting there. Ah, oh my god, I got a foot cramp. Foot cramp. Oh my god, my foot. Does anyone else get foot cramps like that? I think I need to eat a banana. Ow! Oh my god. Okay. Ow! Alright. That hurt really bad. Okay, anyways, the only reason I explained this room is because some of the things I got are for the arts and crafts slash school area. I got them each their own little chalkboard. And I do have chalkboard paint, and I'm going to end up painting this wall all chalkboard paint so that they have a whole big chalkboard that they can draw all over. They can practice their letters and stuff on there. And then I got them each their own little color book, you know, and they can color them. I thought these were really cute. They're like little flashcard books that you get to color. Then I also got them a map of the United States. I'm gonna hang that up on one of these walls over here as well. See, I'm slowly working on it. ABC puzzle. Oh my god. Something's wrong with me, you guys. Something's seriously wrong. And then I got a little farm animal puzzle for them too. And yeah, I think that they're gonna like it. And then I got them these little reward stickers. I have a little reward system over here, and when they do a good job, they get a sticker. I was running low on stickers, so I bought another little pack of stickers. And these are really cool because they're like on a roll, so you can like roll them off one by one. And then I bought some super glue because my glasses are broken, and the super glue that we have is garbage, and they just keep popping apart. So I finally bought some of this, and it's the gel. It says no runs or drips, cures quickly, and that's what we need because the ones that we have right now is like pure liquid and it gets all over my glasses and then it like won't come off. So yeah, super glue. I got my husband these little magnetic tins because he's always tinkering on his radios or his PCs, computers in the his office, and I just thought that these would be cool because then he could like pop screws or whatever in here and they're magnetized, so like if this gets knocked over they won't all dump out. I'm slowly working on my husband's office too and like getting it all cute too, but not cute, manly, whatever, same thing. And then I'm obsessed with these storage baskets, you guys. I bought a bunch of blue ones last time I was there for like cleaning supplies under my sink and stuff, so I like loaded all my cleaning supplies under. So I have these, but they just had these neutral tone ones and I thought they were so cute. I love neutral tones, so I was like, I gotta get these. So I got 2 of those for $1. These are like probably $5 at Target, so this was legit. One last bag. And then we are done. I told you I went crazy. I told you, okay? Don't say I didn't warn you, because I did. I thought these were so cute. They're like little loofahs for the bath. They're called bath sponge, so they're like soft on one side, and then they're a loofah on the other side, like kind of like a little, they're really soft. But for a kid, you know, you can get in there and scrub pretty good. I think this is a dog? I don't know what the frick that is. And then this is a bunny. I got them for the kids. Lint rollers. I always get lint rollers while I'm there. I got some Baby Shark baby wash. Ace saw this and was like, oh my god, Baby Shark. And then Charlie saw it and it was game over because Charlie's addicted to Baby Shark. And yeah, I couldn't say no to them. They were so cute. Ace says Baby Shark, but Charlie says doo-doo, doo-doo. And it's the cutest thing, I can't resist. So I got him that. Alright, and then I got Charlie some cute little pink bows. They had a bunch of little girl bows. They were so stinking cute. And these are just the easy like clip ones, so you just literally like pinch and clip it on, you know? So I thought these were really cute. They're these really cute, fun little clips that I can put in Charlie's hair and my hair. Honestly, like I will wear these in my hair too. I got my husband this little inspection mirror. You're able to like bend it around. It honestly reminds me of a dental tool, but like it expands. It's all like, gets really long and you can be like, hello, oh hello, here's your reflection right there, hello. Yeah, I thought that was cute. I'm such a fucking weirdo. Send help. Last but not least, you guys, I'm telling you right now, you think I'm crazy, you think all this other stuff is pointless, and you would not get any of this stuff. These two things right here are the two things you should get. Hold on, sorry, I gotta take a drink. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was parched. This is gonna sound wild to you, but I'm telling you, these lashes, they have a bunch of different styles, but these ones specifically I love. They're 3D foam ink lashes. Ioni is the brand. Oh, Natural Light Wispy, I think. Yeah. But the band is super, super thin. And like, I mean, I'm not very big like false lash wearer, but when I am, they have to be light. I cannot wear heavy lashes. Everlasting Lash Glue. And this is a clear lash glue. And you guys, this is the best lash glue I've literally gotten. I've gotten the Kiss. I've gotten it, you know, in the all different kinds of eyelash glue. And this stuff, I swear, it dries fairly quickly, which I like. I don't like it when you're sitting there forever waiting for it to get tacky and then you put it on, and I just like it to like be a few seconds, then you can pop the lash on and then you're done, okay? So this stuff is actually really good. I mean, I don't know, like, it's 100% vegan, so it can't be, you know, that bad. Ioni Lashes and Ioni Cosmetics, so I don't know, like, you definitely check out this brand, but this Everlasting Eyelash Glue and their lashes, you guys, I'm like, for $1, this is crazy. That's my entire Dollar Tree haul. You guys, look at this mess back here. Let's look at it all right?
I think I went a little nuts. Did I not? Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say so, Jami. I'd say that you went a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, but
I was in a little bit of a slump, and I'm back from outer space, y'all. I'm gonna do a video tonight too. I'm gonna fold a bunch of laundry, and I'm gonna do like a chit chat. Fold laundry with me because I'm definitely not getting ready. I didn't even get ready for this video. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down, fold some laundry, hang out, catch up, but I just wanted to give you guys my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you're not new here, thanks so much for watching and hanging out. I love you. Okay, don't forget to like, you know, do all the cool YouTube jazz, share, comment, like, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.